The whipstock. We're looking here at a whipstock. This piece of equipment is used in the well for sidetracking. Let me show you what a sidetrack is. I'm drilling a well. Consider my leg as the well which I have drilled. I now wish to come off in another well alongside it. I put a whipstock in at about this depth to push me down into my new hole. Let's look at the equipment again. This end here you can see is very thin, and as we move along the tool you'll see it's getting thicker and thicker. Here's the wedge coming up until we get to the bottom. If we can look right at the bottom of the tool, you'll see that it is round and will fill the old casing completely. So this now is the inside diameter of the original hole. This is the bottom of the tool, and this is fixed to a packer which will hold the whipstock at the correct depth. Now again, let's look back at my analogy using my legs. I can sidetrack a well in that direction. I could go in that direction, or of course backwards or forwards, whichever I choose. So, looking back at the tool, I need to orient the face of the tool north, south, east or west to go where I want. Now, this slot here is connected to the running tool. A hook will come under here, and also a retrieving tool. Clearly, the retrieving works because this is a used whipstock, as you will see. To set it in the right orientation, we use directional drilling tools. Now let's see how we actually use it. I've got a bit here. Having locked the whipstock in the well, I will lower a bit down, and you can see now this bit will come alongside here, and as I rotate slowly down, I'm milling now. I'm milling the side of the casing here. The bit is being pushed out. It's now halfway out. When I'm drilling now, I'm getting steel cuttings. I'm getting some formation as well. I'm getting steel and formation. I keep drilling. I'm now getting a lot of formation, and finally now I'm drilling new hole alongside the old hole, and I'm getting 100% cuttings back. So now again, what I have succeeded in, I have two wells downstairs like this, diverging, and I can now continue drilling my new hole to the depth I require. Ultimately, I will retrieve the whipstock, and I have two usable holes down below. The whipstock.